Okay, hey guys, Steve 87th here on my latest Jack update that I'm uploading. Just thought I'd show you guys where it's at. The building still has some work to do on it, but I'll give you guys a quick overview at the end of the video. So anyway, this is update number 11. This is where I'm at as of the weekend of March. What is it? 20th. And I got to try to remember when our due date is to get these things in, but I think it's coming up. I know the contest draw was on the 17th, but I think we still have a couple more days before we get videos in. So here you go. You can see what I've been doing lately on this Saturday. All right, since this is a premiere video and Vinny's talking, I decided I would go ahead and video so you guys can see what I'm doing. Right now, oops, I have got the gas meter, and then there is a protection device that goes in front of the gas meter that I'm building right now. Basically, I took two pieces of plastic, and to keep them from rolling and all, I put them on tape. And all right, back to this because Vinny was getting too loud and you guys weren't going to be hearing me. I had to put the gas meter in, so I put the gas meter on, and then the gas meter requires this protective area. So you can see up here we have the gas meter and the gas pipe, and it's along the building. Now we have to put on its protective layer. There's still a few more things that I got to do. There's some stuff that I've been putting on the front of the building. You can see all of the interior wiring. I had to replace the light in the back because I blew it up, so I put in a different one. Getting into all of these detail parts, so I think after I do this, I have repair parts that I have to put in along the bottom of this wall, do a little bit more painting here and there, and also have to attach some decals. All right, so it's a little bit of time to move on now. It's time to start laying this out because I got a whole bunch of weathering done on it. Things were put on. More stuff in there. I know you guys can't quite see it that much. Got the side done. So now, because part of this is to make it come alive, the first thing I got to do to get this on the board is I've got to go ahead and give it a concrete base, which is what I'm going to use with this gray, and then we're going to go from there. Okay, so first pass, it's going to wind up kind of looking like this. I got to go get my better knives to get these on there. The reason I did this is because it actually has to have some height to it. That's the little kick out for the booster for the gas there. You can see, like I said, I kicked this out a little bit. That's going to be pretty much the way that it is until I clean it up. This is the why I hate poster board and why the other board that I used is so much better than this stuff, because it cuts just horribly. So luckily, most of this is going to be covered up. I figure what I'm going to do is I'll take more poster board once I get these done. There'll be poster board here, kind of make the ramp, make this level, sort of level here with this, then backfill that, and then this will all be taken down. Now, the reason I did this is because once I put it on the pink sheet over here, we're going to go ahead and this pink sheet's going to be cut a little bit, and then there is a track that goes along the side of it, kind of, but I don't want to show you guys what that's going to look like. And then this side's going to have a road. So I've got to put some stuff in the front, some stuff in the back, some roads in the front, some roads in the back. I don't think I'll put the actual roads, but I'm going to cut that probably in half. You can see where the outline is. A lot of that will go away. So there we go. Like I said, I don't really like foam core board, but I didn't want to use a thick piece of plastic because I needed at least 1/8 of an inch. I could have, I guess, gone around the edge of this. I don't know which would have been easier. This way it kind of has a solid platform to sit into, and somehow we'll make it work. All right, everybody, so that's my overview for right now. I'm going to take a break, do some other things tonight. Just wanted to show you guys because I didn't really say anything. I did some detailing on the back edge here and some weathering. I weathered the roof. You can see there's still some weathering that needs to be done. Down here, if you look at this, this is not paint. This is actually repair panels all the way along here. There is some splotches of paint here and there. Okay, in the front we got the posts painted. I still have one more thing I got to do up in there. You can see we got the handrails on and so forth. I had to go back. I realized I made a mistake, and that's supposed to be painted white, so I had to paint that white. That was fun to do. Okay, you can see I got the electrical panel in with the electrical pipe, and then the electrical panel is down here on the bottom right next to the door. See if we can show you. Oops, sorry, wrong side. Right there. It's the electrical panel. Okay. And then, like I said, we came over here, did some weathering on the side. There's more repair panels. If you guys really look closely, you can see that that is not the same pattern as the wall. And then these are actually separate pieces. They're not part of the wall, and they're not painted. And they are the same sort of pattern as the wall. So yeah, there's a lot of little things to do in here to make this right. You can see the gas meter and the gas pipe, and then we got some leaking that came out on the building, and then obviously, like I said, the roof. And you guys may be wondering, but in real life, you guys have seen the pictures that I've taken. This is clean up front. It's the rest of the building that looks the way that it does. So that's my update for today. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. And the next thing that we'll be doing is scenery. All right. Take it easy, everybody. Steve87 saying thanks for watching.